We at Overcast talk about full stack video management. What does that mean? Well, full stack is about future-proofing your content. At the core, we have cloud-native media asset management that transcodes everything and is used for collaboration. We then integrate with all the creative services like Premiere Pro and Avid. And third, we have a public API, so you can build your own applications on what we already have. We believe that Vision 2030 is actually here. It's 8 years early. We're built primarily in AWS, but we're also Azure and Google Cloud. You store your content where you want to. That's no problem for us. We'll find it, we'll manage it, and we'll coordinate it for you. And we're working with some of the very largest companies in the world. So we're going to show you how we do it with the Royal Opera House. Let's talk about the foundational principles. So in our case study with the Royal Opera House, we're working with live and on-demand content that goes directly into the cloud in real time. We've got native and third-party applications that are available via API. We embed and link. We never send content unless it's a very last resort, but we're publishing to other platforms. Proxies are always available on demand. Why wouldn't they be for an archive? And being able to edit the archive is absolutely essential for reducing costs going forward and for being able to access a real asset, which is indeed your archive. In terms of security and workflows, well, we do a full audit trail of all user activity. Originals are archived and the quality is preserved in perpetuity. We do a full audit trail of all media as well. Very easy to manage and find your content. Integrations in terms of workflows with existing and new tech is absolutely essential for all companies moving forward. And we do that with existing technologies and our own native technologies as well. And dailies currently can be viewed in real time. There's no point in having to wait days to look at your content. So let's move into the actual demo itself. Here we are on the platform. This is our demo platform indeed. And what you'll see here is a number of thumbnails. So when I say all assets will go straight to the cloud, we have an uploader. You can upload your file structure, which is really essential for a lot of editors, which is completely different to what a client services person might have as a file structure, but both can exist and coexist natively on the platform. The other way to ingest content is through a live, and it's as easy as going into create a live stream, put the live stream key in, and away you go. Applications will come to the media. As I mentioned, what we have here is you look at things like we have a clipping tool, we have subtitles and transcription, which is all searchable. We have image recognition for keywords and developing that metadata that is absolutely essential to finding your content. Not only that, but every asset and every project has got a UUID, which you can see up here in the URL, which is ultimately searchable and findable within the database if anything ever seems to go missing. We have a very simple way of archiving content. If we go into the projects here, I simply access a project, go into edit, look at edit archiving, and you'll see the rules come up. We're moving from standard to deep glacier on the 13th of August. And I can easily add new rules by clicking on this button here. So clients like Royal Opera House are taking their vast libraries of assets and putting it into archive to save money, but it's always accessible through proxies and the searching solutions. I could go through a lot more with you today, but the reality is that we have the security. We have the security around access. We have security for the assets themselves, and that's very important for anybody in business like the Royal Opera House. So that's it for me for now. Happy to talk to you more about it, but thank you very much for listening.